This is Mechanics of Machines and Industrial Engineering Laboratory. The laboratory comprises major equipments like spring mass system, Porter governor, Watt governor, Proel governor, whirling of shaft, quick return mechanism, double rotor system apparatus, gyroscope, mechanism models like slider crank mechanism, 4-bar mechanism, etc. Experiments in this lab are related to concept of courses such as kinematics of machinery, dynamics of machinery, and vibration analysis for undergraduate students. The objective of conducting the practical classes in the laboratory is to develop skills to analyze the various forces acting on a mechanical system and to identify the unbalanced forces and its effects such as vibration and its control. Apart from conducting the laboratory classes, the lab facilities are effectively utilized for project work by the students.